Today, we're tackling a common issue, AirDrop not working after updating your iPhone. In this video, we'll walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to get AirDrop back up and running in no time. Sometimes, updating your iPhone to a new iOS version can cause AirDrop to malfunction. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to share files quickly. But fear not, there are solutions. Let's check the basics. Let's start with the fundamentals. Make sure both iPhones have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Also, confirm that AirDrop is enabled on both devices. Swipe down from the control center and tap on the AirDrop icon. Let's adjust AirDrop visibility. On the sending iPhone, tap on AirDrop and choose who can see your device. You can select Everyone for 10 minutes or Contacts Only for a more secure connection. Try to restart your iPhones. A simple restart can often resolve software glitches. Press and hold the side button with either the volume up or down button until the slider appears. Slide to turn off your iPhone. Then hold side button until Apple logo appears. Disable hotspot and cellular data. AirDrop uses Wi-Fi to transfer files. Make sure your iPhone's hotspot is off and neither device is relying solely on cellular data. Check for restrictions and updates. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Allowed apps and features. Ensure AirDrop is enabled. Also, check if there are any pending software updates for your iPhone. Updating to the latest iOS version can sometimes fix AirDrop issues. Last but not least, reset network settings. If the above steps don't work, try resetting your network settings as a last resort. This will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, so be prepared to re-enter them. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. By following these steps, you should be able to get AirDrop working smoothly again on your iPhone. If you're still encountering issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help.